flavor.
So what you doing tonight? If you're alone tonight, we can get.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today's video is gonna be on how I've been able to lose about 30 kg in 2 months. If you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel and also share this video with your friends. So if you don't already know, I had a baby 2 months and a week ago. I remember like a week before I had my baby, I checked my weight and I was about 89 kg. But as for today, recently I checked my weight and I weigh 76 kg. So I'm going to talk to you guys through what I've been doing, and I know I've not gotten to my goal weight, because my goal weight is to get to 70 kg. That's what I normally am before having a baby. But you know what, it's gonna take time, because at the end of the day it took 9 months to make this baby, so it's gonna take time and I'm ready to take it slow. So about 1 month after having my baby, I went for my normal checkup, and everything was okay, so I was good to start my workout. So I started working out a month ago, but before working out I checked my weight. That's a month after having my baby. I checked my weight and I was at 83 kg. So it means with having the baby and maybe breastfeeding and all that, I was able to lose some kgs and I ended up at 83 kg. So which means that in 1 month I lost about 7 kg, because I was 83 kg a month after having a baby, and now I'm 76 kg. So I've lost about 7 kgs in 1 month. And what I'm going to begin with is the fact that I drink lots of water, like lots and lots of water. You know, I am not totally strict on my diet, because you know I have a baby and I'm breastfeeding most of the time, and so I am not really, I still eat what I want to eat. I eat pizza if I want to eat pizza. I eat whatever I want to eat, and I do have cheat days. For someone like me, when it comes to food, I really love food, so I just don't want to deprive myself, because I know that the day I'll tell myself that CK, you cannot have this, that is the day I'm gonna eat it like crazy. Like I don't have that much self-control when it comes to what I eat, so I just try to balance it out. When I want to eat something, I eat it, but just in moderation. I try my best to make it in moderation. So like I said earlier on, first of all is water. I drink lots and lots of water. Water is very important for our body. At least it's going to even help to flush out the toxins in our system, you know, which is going to help us with weight loss. Second of all, diet. You know, I know people don't like to hear this. Like I said earlier on, you have to cut yourself some slacks. This is something you intend to do in the long term. So if you start depriving yourself, I promise you, you're not gonna go far. So you just don't have to deprive yourself. You have to try and see if you can cut down on what you eat and eat those things you love. Because if you want like a pizza so bad, have 1 slice of pizza and have it with salad. Have it with a salad or something, you know, to make you at least full. And one trick I also do is, before I eat anything, before I eat, I drink 2 glasses of water. I drink 2 full glasses of water, then I eat. After eating, I drink 2 more glasses of water, and then I drink my tea, my green tea. So that way I'm gonna end up being very full and I'm not gonna overeat. So that really helps. So with my diet, let's say on a typical day, in the morning I like to have my oatmeal. I have a bowl of oatmeal with milk in the morning for breakfast. Then I have my snacks in between. It's either I have tiger nuts. I really like tiger nuts, and it's very good for our body. If I don't have tiger nuts, I do have what's it called, apple, with 1 apple with 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, or I have my popcorn. You know, I just put it in the microwave and pop it. Like there are 3 sachets in a pack of a popcorn. I just have 1 sachet, and I use that as my snacks, because I love to snacks a lot. So after that, for lunch I have rice. I make sure it's 1 cup of rice, and I have my vegetables as well. And then after having lunch, I still go ahead and have a snack. And after that, at dinner time, I see that I have just a bowl of fruits. I cut different fruits in a bowl and I have that. Or maybe I have my oats again. Or sometimes I do like to have let's say sweet potato, then the fish, then vegetables, you know. But when it comes to the weekends, I do enjoy myself. Like, I allow myself to have whatever I want to have, and I allow myself to eat cookies because I love cookies a lot. So you can see with that, I was still able to lose some weight. After that, we're going to talk about exercise, workout. I know some people don't like it. You know, me personally, when I work out, when I exercise, I feel happy and I just love working out. You know, sometimes I'm tired of it and I don't do it. I just let, like when I was pregnant, throughout my pregnancy, I never worked out for one day. But, you know, I've missed it so much. So that's why I decided to start working out a month after having a baby. And you guys know the workout I am doing, which I absolutely love. I am doing Insanity, but what I decided to do this time was to combine Insanity with weightlifting. I do Insanity 3 days a week, and I lift weight 3 days a week. Because for some reason, when I was pregnant, I just don't know, my butt just became so flat, and I don't know what happened, if it's part of the pregnancy, but my butt was so flat. So I decided to mix up Insanity, which is like more of cardio, and then weightlifting, because I need my butt to just come out back a little bit. So that's what I've been doing. I work out 6 days a week, and it really helps. If you're the type of person that dread your workouts, or you don't like working out, you just try and see if you can start walking. Like, you can take a walk, you know, take a stroll, walk your dogs, and, you know, just try and be active, because it's really going to help you when you're active. You know, for our overall health, it's very good to be active. So just to put it out there, when it comes to weight loss, I know it's very hard. Like, it's so hard to stay consistent, because what normally happens is that when we begin, we have the boost and the energy and the motivation to go into it, and we're going into it with full force, and you overdo it, and you starve yourself, and you say, okay, you're not gonna eat this, you're not gonna eat that. You deprive yourself of those things you really love, and those things you know that you just can't do without. What I think you should do is to try your best to just balance it out. Take your time. Weight loss takes time. It takes patience. It takes hard work, consistency, and drinking lots of water, you know. So it takes time. Take your time. Don't put so much pressure on yourself. Eat what you want. If you really have to eat it, just try to, you know, control the amount you take, or the portion you take, you know. And after doing that, don't feel guilty. Don't beat yourself up. Don't start feeling bad, because when you start feeling bad, that is when you're like, okay, I've eaten what I'm not supposed to eat and I'm done. Like, you give up. It's not the best option. You just imagine yourself, like, if you're doing this and you're consistent with working out and trying to cut down on what you eat, and at least giving yourself, you know, a cheat day. If you're consistent with that, I promise you, like, give yourself a year. Like, visualize it, like, what am I going to look like in a year? You're going to be happy that you continued. But check it, if you feel discouraged and you decide to give up, what is going to happen? You're going to be there stagnant, or you're going to even get worse, and you'll not be happy. So just try as much as you can to take it easy and take it slow. It's not easy, I know, we all know it's hard, but with consistency and hard work, we'll definitely get there. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys my before and after picture. I did take one of the pictures like a week after giving birth, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys, and I'm gonna keep you guys updated. Like, with time, I'm gonna still do, if I still lose some weight, I'm still gonna do like an updated weight loss video, and I hope you guys stay tuned for that, and I hope you guys find this video helpful. I hope I've been able to at least, you know, motivate, even if it's just one person, to keep going strong and keep going hard. You know, you're gonna get there, and that's what it's gonna be for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like this video, and also subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell, and share this video with your friends, you know. And I'll see you guys very soon. I love you guys so much, and thanks for watching. Bye.
R2B's. So now